Welcome to everybody. This is the first tutorial to learn how to use the Kiber helmet system. On this table you see the components of the system, namely the Kiber helmet and the hand cam, which is the complement of the helmet, a tablet, in this case an iPad, a 3G router, in this case it's a GlocalMe product, and this constitutes the field equipment that is used to put the field technician in contact with the expert. So on the other side, maybe of the world, there is an expert using a PC which can communicate with the field technician, receiving the images transmitted by the technician himself, and being able to annotate these video streams that the field technician can see with the paradigm of augmented reality. Now, we have to understand how the system works. So, in order to ensure that the system can connect, we use this 3G router that basically provides connectivity to the whole system. The router will use, of course, the 3G network. The helmet connects to the router and therefore has access to the internet and broadcasts Wi-Fi network, a local Wi-Fi network named real Wi-Fi, to which both the hand cam and the iPad must connect. We will see that the hand cam will connect automatically to this network, while the iPad must be connected manually to this network. And once the system is set up, then we can start the functionalities. First of all, we have to turn on the 3G router that, as I've said, ensures the internet connectivity. In order to do this, we press this button placed on the side of the router and we keep it pressed until the screen turns on. Okay? Now the 3G router is doing its boot. We wait for the boot to be completed, and then the 3G router will start broadcasting its own local Wi-Fi. Now the 3G router has completed its boot. We can verify that it's acting as a hotspot. By pressing this, we will see the name of the Wi-Fi broadcasted by this hotspot. For the moment, we are not interested in the name of this Wi-Fi, because the only thing that we need to know is that the helmet will be connected to the router automatically to that hotspot. At this point, we are ready to turn on the Kiber helmet. In order to do this, we locate this button, this green button on top of the hand unit, and we keep it pressed for some seconds until a blue LED turns on. Then we have to wait for the helmet to complete its boot. We will be noticed of this in two ways. First of all, on the visor, we will see images giving a feedback on the various stages of the boot, and when we are in stage 3, the helmet is ready to be used. At the same time, this LED will start blinking, and when it blinks purple, that means that the Kiber helmet is broadcasting its Wi-Fi, and then the other devices can be connected to it. Now the helmet LED is blinking purple. This means that the boot has been made and it was successful, and the helmet is broadcasting the real Wi-Fi local network. Now we are ready to turn on the hand cam, more or less the same way we did with the helmet. We keep this blue button pressed until the LED turns on. Also in this case, we must wait for some seconds, more or less 30 seconds. And then when the hand cam will blink, when the LED will blink, this means that the hand cam is correctly connected to the helmet. Okay, as you can see, the hand cam LED is now blinking. This means that the hand cam is connected to the helmet, so all the components of the system are set up. Now we have to set up the audio components. This means that we have to turn on these headphones, and then we have to connect the headphones with the iPad. In order to turn on the headphone, we must locate the power on button, and we must keep it pressed until you hear a voice saying that the pairing mode is enabled. This is indicated also by this fast blinking of the headphones LEDs.